Welcome to the ISG Tutorials channel, guys. My name is Hussein, and today we'll be talking about studying. So, what is studying? Studying is when you devote your time and attention to gaining more knowledge. And now for some study tips. So, tip number 1. You should never, and I repeat never, type out while studying. Because typing doesn't really help, and it doesn't really stick in your brain. It's better to just write it down. Tip number 2. You should, in my opinion, what helped me learn was color coding. If I color coded my work, it helped me remember it more. Or while studying, I would sit in different locations. So then you could, when remembering about something, you can make a connection with the location or the color. This, however, is only used when you're in a memorizing test. So if you're doing biology and you need to learn about the organelles in a cell, then I would recommend this, but not about the different tests where memorizing is not required. Tip number 3. Try to make a few questions to help you study. So if you know you're struggling on this one thing, I recommend you make questions about it. So make a small page with a few things that you're struggling with, and then formulate questions from those things, and then answer them. That's a really effective technique if you use it properly. And tip number 4. Don't just study things mindlessly. Try to make connections. Try to make connections which will help you learn better. So in humanities, you could make a connection with a few of the subtopics. Or in math, you could make a few connections with the formulas. Why are they this way? And tip number 5. Don't study for a very long period of time. It's not really going to help you. You're just gonna overload, and you don't want that. And you're going to fill too much in your brain at once. So what I recommend is, if you're memorizing something or just studying, you learn it or you memorize it, take a break. Take a small 5-minute break, come back. And then think of it again. If you don't understand it, just keep repeating it and then move on. This technique has personally really helped me to memorize or learn different types of things. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like button and also that subscribe button. And if you want to stay tuned in for more, then please hit that bell icon as well. We love the support, we love the feedback. Stay tuned for more.